Hi traders, right. Today's chat will be about this effectively line chart 2B reversal. Be prepared for a ramble. I haven't made a video for a while because I do keep rambling and I know not everyone likes that. Also, I've been extremely busy preparing to move abroad and sorting a load of stuff out. So let's have a look at this. DAX. DAX was roughly around here when I called it short yesterday. And I'm not a long-term trader. I'm not a signal service. I am not a financial advisor. So never, ever trade anything that I show online. But use your own analysis. What I like to do is share my view of charts. So what I did, price was around here, bouncing around. And I said we'd broken the buyers because price was down here. We were testing the buyers here. But what I failed to say, and I say many, many, many times, and this is the whole 3CR eureka moment for me, is that the first reversal, the first 3CR tends to be the one that will signal the reversal. This is a long-standing observation of mine and a long-standing part of 3 candle reversals, the 3CR. So what I've done is I've drawn a load of these 3 boxes yesterday to signify this in case I don't explain all my trades. I mean, all the guys that follow me are seriously into their price action trading, and I appreciate the amount of effort they all put in for years and years and years. New traders that think trading is a get-rich-quick scheme, you're going to learn a hard lesson. Sorry to be so blunt, but go away, make your mistakes, and then maybe knuckle down and get on with proper price action analysis. What based on candlesticks, based on the 2B reversal from Vic Sperandio, and then for me personally improved upon using the multi-time frame analysis. So sorry for the preach. All the guys that know me by now, you just hopefully zone out. So this here is a high, low, high. This is a strong area of buyers. It's not the clearest example, but it is definitely an example when the buyers here are broken by the sellers here, this blue line. It's hidden behind an indicator there, the continuation out here like this. This was a low, high, higher, low, higher, high. This is buyers breaking the sellers here. And I could have drawn a blue line there, but it would have complicated things for yesterday's chart. So once that's broken, then it means the buyers have no longer got the strength and the sellers have gained their strength. And we can see a pinky reddy 3CR, where it's very pale pink, based on the red color for selling. So it's 3CR down, and look, the price has collapsed. Then we've broken more buyers, but the point I'm trying to make on this video, and I'm already rambling or going off at a tangent, this was the trigger for my reversal in order, to perhaps hit it multiple times. And when it pulled back, when it broke these buyers, as it did here, then as you can see what happens, it comes back to test the level and then collapses again. So this is the whole point of this H4 line chart 2B reversal alert, if you like, personal alert to the people that follow me, that it's sensible to be looking for selling below the buyers. And look what happened. And it's even come back. There was a 3CR there. I'm sure it was a bearish 3CR. Yeah, it was there because I made a point of pointing it out in the Twitter post. And if we draw a line on that and then look at the candles, I don't like red. Horizontal line properties, green. Changed it to red for something I was doing in private yesterday. And if we then look at the candles, look what it's come and tested. I mean, I could have drawn that a little higher. We're talking about the top of the 3CR bar. That is the low of that green candle. That is support that makes a low, high, higher, low, higher, high. That's a trend. Swing 1, swing 2, swing 3. Support acting as resistance over here. How could we ever have been prepared for that? And that's a 3 swing pullback. Swing 1, swing 2, swing 3. Always say to, last week I said to my followers, look, always don't short before you've broken the high of swing 1. Because if you're short in here, it's liable to break or test and surpass that level. Does it so many times. That's all part of 3CR observations. This is not 2B stuff now. This is 3CR stuff. This is the improvement, if you like, on what Vic did. And but I've never read Vic's book, so I can't say categorically that he didn't do any of this stuff. Apologies if that is the case. So go back to the line charts. This is why I love line charts. It is so clear, so clear. And oh, by the way, this trade I'm out of 99%. It's just a runner to watch what happens and so on and so forth. Talk about that all the time. So that's it. I'm not going to ramble on about anything else. We can clearly see what happens. And it's just basic price, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. You know, it is the buyers here being broken by the sellers here. And yeah, that's the point I was trying to make. The first reversal is it's liable to go through this because these buyers are part of this. These buyers are part of this move. So if these have failed, that is my thought process. If the people that are buying this whole move up have given up the ghost here, then it's highly likely they will give up the ghost there. And you could say to yourself, well, why didn't they give up the ghost at this point here? Purely because, and also we can, you know, if the sellers have failed in this up move, there will be a little pop back on the lower time frames, and it will continue up. Now, the other thing to point out on this that I didn't point out on the Twitter feed, which is the point of this video, is that this is at this massive level of supply. You know, this is a massive 2B to the long side. So once again, you know, you've got to have a sort of a, I think the word is, holistic view of your charts. You know, you've got to look at the bigger picture, multi-time frame analysis. I keep banging on about that phrase. And that is the point. I mean, we are banging into, you know, you can look at the candles and see what's happened, banging into supply. And we've broken the sellers. Look how much nicer and clearer the line chart is compared with the candles. And the line chart, all it is for newer traders is the level that the candles closed at, the wicks. It's effectively a 1 period EMA, the line chart. So for whatever reason, if you're using weird charts and platforms, don't have the line chart facility on there. I have come across one, which is why I'm pointing it out. Then just put the 1 period EMA, exponential moving average, onto your charts, and that will give you the level. There it is there. So we'll clean that off. So that's it, guys. That's the first reversal. This is why I wasn't too worried about buyers coming back into the market at this level, because that is, you know, this is the power of the move. They've just tested that. They've pushed it back up to the 3CR level, the battleground that I talked about, and then boom, down it's gone. So hopefully this has made a light bulb go off. You know, line charts are the sort of secret, unsecret weapon. You know, they are fantastic. So, and they simplify things so much. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.